2002 National Electrical Code, Section 300.22c, states that type NEC cable shall be supported within 18 inches, which is 457 millimeters, of every outlet box, junction box, cabinet, or fitting. The 2023 National Electrical Code, Section 334.30b, similarly states that type NEC cable shall be supported within 18 inches, which is 457 millimeters, of every outlet box, junction box, cabinet, or fitting. There are additional considerations to take into account. Firstly, floor loading needs to be taken into account because heavy equipment or materials placed on the floor above the NEC cable could potentially damage the cable if it is not adequately supported. Secondly, movement is a consideration because raised access floors can move slightly during use, which could cause the NEC cable to shift or become loose if it is not properly secured. Thirdly, if NEC cable is used for environmental air, it must be secured to minimize the risk of vibration and noise. The authority having jurisdictions, or OJ's requirement for supporting NEC cable of 4.5-foot intervals is not specifically addressed in the National Electrical Code. However, the National Electrical Code does not prohibit additional support requirements for specific installations. Given the potential risks associated with unsupported NEC cable under raised access floor, it is recommended to comply with the AHA requirement for supporting the cable at 4.5-foot intervals. This will help ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system.